In addition to safety, security also matters for industrial systems. In fact, attacks can be far worse for industrial embedded systems because the results can affect the physical world. For example, in 2014, an attack on a steel mill in Germany caused massive damage due to an uncontrolled shutdown. As another example, in January 2016, an attack on western Ukraine cut their power grid. Data indicates that attacks against embedded control SCADA systems are rapidly increasing. Something to note in this chart is that almost 26% of the attacks were buffer overflow attacks, in the vein of what we saw earlier for the Heartbleed attack. In contrast, less than 6% of the attacks were due to cryptographic issues. That means that, while cryptography is important for security, the problems in practice often relate more to bad code quality or bad security practices than to actual problems with the crypto itself. For example, both the steel mill and the power grid attacks we just discussed involved malicious email links being clicked by plant operators to steal credentials, so-called spear phishing attacks, rather than actually breaking password cryptography.